All right, so now that it's heated up a bit, you want to take the pick and sort of just work your way around the sides, like so. Get that bad boy off. Now when you're starting it off and you're putting in this razor blade, you want to watch out for these areas here. So you want to actually just kind of just go in lightly and then just pull up a bit and make sure that you're not hitting any of this here. All right, so now we're going to want to remove all these screws here. All right, so now that that's off, so put my nail around these guys. Let's take that guy out. All right. So there we have it. So now we're going to disconnect the power, disconnect this guy, disconnect this guy. Like so. All right, so there we go. Okay, so since we're doing the charge port replacement, we're going to heat it up. There's no screws or anything on this guy. And there is the adhesive that's come off. Alright, and there we go. Alright, so what you want to do now is you want to grab your new charge port. You want to place this bad boy into place. Like it was. Oh, hang on, let's make sure I got the right ones here. Oh, there we go, put this ribbon into place. Perfect. This ribbon back in place. It didn't necessarily have to come off, but it did. Reconnect the battery. Reconnect this guy. And then put this on. Put the screws back in. Put that guy on. And you're good to go. Alright, sounds good. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please thumbs up. Thanks. Take care.